Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Red Dead Redemption version and platform. This matters because timing and file compatibility differ. Next, get an SRT file that matches the scene timestamps. If none exists, open a basic text editor and create one with timecodes. Once done, install the Easy Subtitles tool or prepare VLC for subtitle overlay. Make sure to place the SRT in the same folder as your capture or video so the tool finds it automatically and avoids encoding mismatches. You now load the captured video or point the overlay to your live feed and then load the SRT. Play a scene and observe where lines appear versus the audio. Use the subtitle delay control to shift timing in milliseconds until text matches speech. Once you see correct lip sync, test several different cutscenes because timing can drift. When consistent, save a new SRT with a version name so you can revert. Make sure to keep backups of original files. You decide whether to hardcode subtitles into the final video or keep them as a soft sub track you can toggle. For hardcoding, export using a reliable encoder like X264 and enable burn-in. This guarantees visibility on all platforms. For soft sub, mux the SRT into the container with tools like MKV tool, Nix so players can turn it on or off. If things go wrong, check frame rate mismatches and encoding log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.